Hi guys, it's Marcy here from Campbell & Company. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing at 85 Richardson Street. It's a cute little 2+1 bedroom in Old West Brant. Great for a starter home or empty nesters. You've got to come in and have a look.
I had a dream about you, thinking might be real. I took your hand and said to you exactly how I feel. I know that this is mutual, the future could be your so bright, 'cause I can ride with you. Let me love you. One day it's just all it takes to know that all these days were worthwhile. Just waiting for you. Hallucinate while I'm wide awake. I'm searching astral place to find out and talk about it. I'm tripping out. I can feel my body fading away. Oh, how you feeling now? I'ma just keep going right this way. The demons that I know, they keep me in control. My heart put in a cage and it stays deep inside a hole. Feelings in my soul, I can feel